Hey guys, this is David with Catalyst Connect. I'm going to quickly walk you through Zoho campaigns, how to add field mappings for syncs that you already have created. So the first thing you want to do is click on Subscribers Sync Services over here on the left. And you're going to want to click on your active syncs that you have going right now. You can click on View Details of the sync that you want to add more listings to or more mappings to. And then you can see right here across from field mapping, it shows edit mapping. So you go ahead and click on that, and it will show you what fields you're bringing in from the CRM and what they're called within campaigns. You click on the Map More button here, and you can go ahead and bring a new field in. For this, we'll go ahead and bring in the status, and then we'll create a new field within campaigns called status. Go ahead and click Add there. Then I'll ask if you want to bring it in. You just say go ahead. Click on next again. And then it'll just show you more of your sync preferences. Then you go ahead and do initiate. And it'll be all set for you. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.